Climate in 2 minutes.
The German Watch Global Climate Risk Index of 2015 ranked the Philippines as the most vulnerable country to climate change.
On a year's average, 20 tropical cyclones enter the Philippine area of responsibility, with 8 to 9 of these making landfall. In 2013, we experienced Yolanda, one of the strongest super typhoons to ever hit the country. This caused a huge loss of lives and properties, especially in hard-hit regions. Data from Pag-asa show that our temperature is increasing. All areas of the Philippines will get warmer, especially at summer months. Mean temperatures in all areas in the Philippines are expected to rise by 0.9 degrees Celsius to 1.1 degrees Celsius in 2020 and by 1.8 degrees Celsius to 2.8 degrees Celsius in 2050, while warming oceans and melting of the ice caps contribute to rising sea levels.
The Philippines is located in what we call the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is a region in the Pacific Ocean where the world's highest concentration of volcanoes is located.
This area is also a hotspot for seismic activity or earthquakes, which makes the country surrounding it, such as the Philippines, already vulnerable to natural disasters, which effects will be aggravated by climate change.
Climate change impacts affect several very important systems, such as agriculture, water, energy, coastal ecosystems, infrastructure, and health.
Climate change effects fall disproportionately to the vulnerable members of the society: women, children, elderly, indigenous peoples.
We need to start preparing for a climate-resilient future to avoid massive losses to our lives caused by climate change. Catch us in the next episode of Climate in 2 Minutes as we look into the different impacts climate change has on the different systems.